Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, and I'm standing outside a newly completed fix and flip. It is 99.9% done. As you can see, the dumpster's still here, but we'll get that out. So we'll show you the property, go over the numbers, what we did. And before we get started, of course, check out investformore.com. It's invest, FOURMORE.com. Got tons of information on rentals, flipping, commercial properties, being an agent, all that good stuff. So I bought this property for $170,000 from the MLS. So made a real estate commission since I'm an agent. When I bought it, we put about $35,000 of work into it. There'll be $15,000 or so in selling costs, carrying costs, and we'll be listing it for over $250. Not sure the exact price yet, but I'm hoping to get more than $250 for it. You can see the before video if you look under the description of this video, or if you happen to be watching on Facebook or somewhere else, I'll post that as well there. But we redid the floors, the paint, the kitchen, the bath, roof was done, and light fixtures, some texture work, and some garage work out back that we'll show you too. So did quite a bit to it, but it is ready to list. Here you can see the kitchen. These are a new type of cabinet we've been getting from Home Depot. Don't ask me what kind they are because I don't remember what they're called, but I could probably figure it out if you really wanted to. Home Depot counters, appliances, all that stuff. We've got a managed pro account at Home Depot, which saves us a ton of money. Here's the bathroom. We redid, new vanity. We actually kept the tub, just cleaned it up. There's kind of a weird medicine cabinet there before, if you look at the before video, that we took out. Here's one bedroom. See all new doors as well. New carpet. And here's the second bedroom up. All right, we'll head downstairs real fast. So again, new carpet down here, new paint down here. And this is a bedroom. It's got the door right there, as you can see. It's a bi-level, so the windows are above grade. Pretty decent sized closet actually right here. And then the bathroom. And we actually left the tub in the vanity in this one, just redid the floor there. So again, anywhere you can save money when you're flipping is good. The costs will add up very quickly. This room we kind of completely finished out and redid as well. It was kind of just open before. So now it's a real bedroom, has a closet, has a door. So it's now a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Utility room, we cleaned up a little bit. Had insulation falling all over, and that's all nice and tidy. And then we'll go look at the garage real fast. Oh yeah, we had to redo this deck as well. It was just kind of some stairs that were falling down. So we had the deck made a little bigger. The stairs won't fall down underneath you now. And here's the garage, which is very nice. It's about 30 by 28. And our contractor still has a few things to clean up out here. There's a giant hole that somebody dug that goes underneath here. And he's supposed to fill that in, and I don't think throwing a little bit of dirt and some trash in there counts as filling it in. So he's got to come back out and do that. And then here is the garage. And that's an alley back there, so it's got access back there. So big, deep garage, and then it's got kind of 2 little workshop areas back here. We didn't do a whole lot back here except just clean things up a little bit. And there you go. So that's the property. We're gonna be listing it here the next day or two as soon as the contractor gets those few things taken care of. Hopefully it sells quick and we'll keep moving on. I should have 3 or 4 more finished flips coming up in the next week. So be sure to watch out for those videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get notified when those come out. And if you like the video, of course, I appreciate a thumbs up. All right, thanks again. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below and I'll do my best to answer them for you.